Hi, math lovers. Welcome to notes number 137. Today, we're going to work again on partial fraction decomposition. I want you to do just one problem with you today, so you know that this one's going to be kind of a doozy. Stare at this problem. You've got x to the fourth plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 2 divided by x to the third plus 2x squared plus x. You know that this is such a me problem because there are no negatives in there. I always mess up with the negative signs. Spoiler alert. So stare at it. Let it talk to you. What is it saying? What's it saying? I know what it's saying. If we're going to use our partial fraction decomposition, you hopefully identified this as an improper, right? Improper fraction. And before you get started to break it down, you want to use long division. Yes, bringing it back. Bringing back long division. Before we even get going, we're going to use our long division. All right, so let me see. I've got x to the third plus 2x squared plus x. And I'm going to divide that into x to the fourth plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 2. Okay, let's see what I have. 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. I think I just go in x times. So x times x to the third is x to the fourth. X times 2x squared is 2x to the third. X times x is x squared. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to subtract all of those. Oh, look how nice. Pachoo! Pachoo! Those fall out. So I'm left with 3x squared plus 8x plus 2. This will not go in there anymore, right? So what I have at this point is I have the problem. This is equivalent to x plus, let's see, I had 3x squared plus 8x plus 2 over my original denominator, x to the third plus 2x squared plus x. Okay, great. I want to break that down. Now, for just a little bit, I'm going to forget about this x. All right, just a little bit. Not for a long time, just a little bit. I'm thinking to myself about that denominator here, this denominator here. Isn't that going to be, let's see if I can factor in an x. Then I'm left with x squared plus 2x plus 1. Oh, look at that. You look at that denominator. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to try to break this down one more time. So this is going to be just looking at this part now, okay? I'm going to forget about the x for a little bit, but then I'm going to come back to it in the very end. So this section is going to be, let's see, 3x squared plus 8x plus 2 over. Now think about all of the ways that you could get x times x plus 1 as your denominator, as your common denominator. I could have plain old x. I could have plain old x plus 1, right? Or I could have x plus 1 squared as my denominator, right? So think about it. If I have these three, the common denominator would be x times x plus 1 squared. So as a rule, if you have a squared, you've got to think about it as a singleton. And you also think think about it squared. If you're confused, think about the denominator of I don't know, 18, right? 18, you could have a 3, and you could also have a 9 that go into 18. So that's another way you could write it out. All right, so let's put our placeholders in A and B and C, and let's get going. All right, so I know I'm going to have, so this is, if you want to be a purist about it, you can put the plus x here, and we can put the plus big X here. And this is what we're working with, right? Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and multiply my numerators by the common denominators. So I have 3x squared plus 8x plus 2. Do you want me to write the denominators in? I will.